Hello, Mookies! Hello. How's everybody doing today? I hope everyone is awesome, fine, perfect, and great. On the menu today is a big, giant waffle grilled cheese. Oh my gosh, it's falling apart. It's falling apart. And French fries with ketchup for dipping. Let's say a quick prayer and get started before my cheese is no longer melted. Okay. Thank you so very much. For all of you new Mookies out there, thank you so much for hanging out, coming aboard. We all appreciate you. For all of my old Mookies out there, I love you guys so very much. Thank you for showing up once again. If you are not a Mookie and you would like to become one, please do so by hitting that red subscribe button, that red button down there, that red button there, and hit that bell right next to it. Give this video a big thumbs up. I can't speak right now. Give this video a big thumbs up. And leave a comment below. Once you leave a comment below, I may pick your comment and give you a shout out at the end of my next video. I give shout outs at the end of every one of my videos, so stay tuned for that. And let's proceed. These are steak cut fries. I should have added some sriracha. Okay, you guys, are we going to get a cheese pull? Are we going to get a cheese pull? Maybe. Maybe we'll get a little cheese pull. Look at that, a little bit. So we have 3 cheeses in here. Yeah, 3. Ooh, it's nice and stringy mozzarella. That didn't pull. We have, we have mozzarella, cheddar, the cheddar, and we have a little bit of pepper jack, whatever I had left in my fridge. I don't know what happened though. It's not as crunchy as I would have liked it. So how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is going to have an awesomely blessed day. Or if you're watching this after work or after school, then I hope you had an awesomely blessed day. My little burnt piece of cheese. I'm good. I was going to try to put the cheese, like somehow put a little bit of batter in the waffle iron and then put cheese and then put more batter on top of that and then close it. But I was afraid to mess up my waffle iron. I didn't want to spend an hour picking cheese out of my waffle iron. So I made 4, well, 2 big whole pans. I made a big ginormous one. Ooh, that water's good. Mm. So earlier today, oh Lord, come on now. Did the cheese take my crunch away? Hot. Hot, hot. So, today I got this burst of energy and started running through my house, cleaning up all kinds of stuff. When you deep clean and you start moving everything away from the wall and you should do that anyways, but you might not do that every single time you clean. I was in my bathroom, in my bedroom. I was 100% charged, as if my batteries, I had fresh batteries in my back. Or I was just at the corner at the local, visiting the local thug. Not my corner. Mm-mm. One of my old corners where I was, raised. Come on, stretch. It's not it's stretching, but not the way I wanted it to. I'm not as crunchy either. I don't want all that extra bread. So my mom, I love my mom to death. Obviously, I take care of her and, do what I can. My sister does too. But this woman, I swear, she has a way with words. She said, she looks at me. I'm just changing. I don't have a problem just changing into my nightgown in front of my mom. She's seen it. She's wiped this butt. She's been there. She's given me a bath. I ain't got nothing to hide. So I'm changing real quick. Put on my nightgown. Get in bed, because she sleeps in my room, not in the guest room. That's just sitting there empty. She sleeps in my room. And she looks at me, and she says, do you think when, all the mukbangers do these channels that they gain weight? This is as I'm pulling the nightgown over my head. I get my head through the opening, and I said, Mom? What do you mean by that, Mom? What are you trying to say? Oh, nothing. I was just a question. I'm just wondering. I said, so you waited to ask me that question until I was in my bra and underwear in front of you? Gotta love those brutally honest Italian mothers. Gotta love it. That woman. No shame in her game. And then she says, no, honey. I'm not talking about you. You haven't gained any weight. Not that much. Yeah. I was about to have a nikocado breakdown. Or I was going to fight that woman. I was going to kick her out of my bed. Yes, I was. She almost got kicked out. She was about to be exiled to the guest room. I said, Mom. I said, Mom, really? She goes, well, you don't look bad. I said, Mom, please, I love you. Stop talking. Please stop talking, Mom. And she started laughing. Busted up laughing. And I said, that's okay. Go ahead. Laugh at my expense. That's okay. At least you're laughing. As I come and make a big old sloppy grilled cheese sandwich. That could feed 4 people. Why not? Oh, and some fries. It's hot in here. I say that in every video, and I'm really sorry. I don't mean to complain about the weather, but I really don't like the heat. And I try to always leave the AC on right until I'm about to record, and then I shut it down so you guys don't hear that in the background. Sometimes I can't help it, and I gotta leave it on. But I try to do my best not to add to any more background noise than there already is. So it usually is hot in here when I record with all the lights and everything. Maybe I'll wrap myself in saran wrap and some tin foil, and I'll sweat it out. So then I can just change my clothes in front of my mother again, and she can tell me that I lost some weight. How about that? It's hot. I think it was 103 or 104 today. Yes, it was. Oh, this is hot. Oh, Lord. Lordy, Lordy, this is hot. I don't think I'm going to eat this whole half. This is a lot of cheese. Woo! I'm trying to think. Because when you get in your car, that's not the real temperature, I don't think. Because my phone said one thing and then my car said another. I think my car said 106. I know it wasn't 106. I hope it wasn't 106. Oh, gosh. That would be terrible. 106. Ooh. Oops. And on top of that, I'm sitting in front of my hot plate, so that's not helping matters. Good. These would be really, really cute for a party because of the waffle. But I think I won't make them as, I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. But they would be cute. They'd be cute to make them into rainbow waffles. Maybe I'll make that for breakfast for my niece. Some rainbow waffles. She would probably really like that. I'm actually getting full. This cheese and this breading is no joke. Ooh, about to burp. I don't know if you guys can hear my son. I can hear him, but I don't know if the mic is going to pick him up in the background. I mean, he's actually upstairs, but he's in his game room and he's so loud. Yeah, I'm full, you guys. I'm already getting full, and I don't want to stuff myself with all that cheese. We got half, a little more than half down. I wish it was crunchier. It would have been nice to be crunchier. This is going to be a shorter video, you guys. Sorry to talk with my mouth open. I wanted to come on real quick and film a video because my mom has a doctor's appointment and she has the therapist today, the physical therapist. So we are going to cut this one a little short. But before we go, of course, we have to give our post shout out. So please don't go anywhere. Hold up, wait up, hold up, wait a minute. Wait right there. Let me put some notification, post notification in it. Oopsie. Okay. So today's post shout out goes to Marisol Mama. Marisol Mama, thank you so very much, sweetheart, for hanging out with us and becoming a Mookie. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for leaving me a comment. You are awesome, covered in awesome sauce. And to the rest of my Mookies, I love you guys so very much. You know I do, and you know how much I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys have... Who the heck is calling me right now? Let's do that again. Before we were so rudely interrupted, it's probably my brother. But I love you guys. I love you, Mookie, so very much. Please remember to be good to one another. Have an awesome day, and I will see you on the next one.